Okay. I wanted to share my story or my testimony about my daughter, Kaylee, who is 17, and we've been seeing Dr. Katie for about, I'd say 6 weeks, 8 weeks now. And the improvement is just, it's like a miracle. It's nothing short of a miracle. Kaylee has struggled with stomach pain since she was a little girl, and we've always thought it was acid or a nervous stomach. You know, she's seen the doctor on and off pretty much all of her childhood, and I'd say about a year ago she started struggling even more so. A lot of pain. She runs cross country, and she would always complain of her chest hurting when she was done running. She never felt well. She was always pale. Didn't want to eat. If she ate, she was sick. If she didn't eat, she was sick. Just miserable. So I'd say in the fall, we took her to the doctor and started some acid medicine, and then she started running track. We made it through cross country, and then track began, and it just seemed like it was getting worse. And we go back to the doctor, and they started running all these tests, and they discovered that her gallbladder wasn't functioning at the level that it should. So we were sent to a surgeon, but he didn't feel like everything added up, and sent her to a gastrologist. And so we kept trying different medicines, and we go back in 4 weeks, and he put on a different medicine, and more tests, and more tests, and basically we were coming down to the point that we were going to have her gallbladder removed. We were just that desperate. And she'd spent pretty much the beginning of summer just laying around and not wanting to do anything on the couch or in bed, never feeling well. And I was about beside myself, and my neighbor suggested I see Dr. Katie, and she told me that Katie was a chiropractor. And at first I was thinking, a chiropractor? How could she help with a gallbladder? And finally I called Katie out of desperation about a week before we were to schedule the surgery, and she sat with me and talked to me for probably about 45 minutes on the phone, and got us in the next day. And here we are 6 weeks later. It's incredible. Kaylee still has her gallbladder, and she's running. She discovered she had a hernia. She had a valve that wasn't opened, and she's given her some supplements to help her digest her food, and she's like a different person. So I highly recommend this place. Thank you.